This video covers general navigation in the 7Song Herbal Database, which can be accessed at 7song.com on the Herbal Database tab. Other videos in this series are listed in the table of contents. The 7Song Herbal Database is built on Airtable, and there is a link to general Airtable navigation instructions on the other videos and links page. From the first opening of the 7Song Herbal Base, you will land on the Medicinal Plants and Fungi table. By clicking on various tabs, other tables can be displayed. Various views exist for each table, and the views can be selected by clicking on the desired view. Views just provide various ways of looking at the same information. You can scroll side to side or up and down to view various parts of the grid. By clicking on the search icon, specific text can be searched. For example, records matching a common keyword, such as chamomile, can be quickly found. You can cycle through the matching records with the next and previous buttons in the search menu. Tables can be sorted by various fields. For example, if you are reviewing health issues as they pertain to body systems, you might select the Health Issues tab, then click on the drop-down next to the Body System column and select one of the sort options, and then click Sort. Now, the health issues being displayed are sorted by the corresponding body systems. If you further wanted to focus on only health issues related to a particular system, select Filter by Body System, and then add a system to the filter. For this example, I'll pick the cardiovascular system. Now, as you can see, only the health issues that are related to the cardiovascular system are displayed. All of the others are filtered out. If you want to remove a filter, you can open up the Filtered By box and click the delete icon next to the filter. Then everything is displayed again. Row height can be changed by clicking the Row Height button and picking the desired height. Row width can be changed by holding the mouse over the row divider and then clicking and dragging it to change the row width. In order to see the detail of certain cells, you can click the Expand button found in the expandable cell. The cell detail pop-up can be closed to return to the previous view by clicking the X in the top right. In order to see all the detail of an entire record, you can click the Expand button found in the first cell of the row. As before, the resulting pop-up window is closed by clicking the X in the top right.